Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Close.com to Google Sheets for real-time lead imports, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To connect Close.com to Google Sheets for real-time lead imports, start by log in to your Close.com dashboard. Navigate to the Settings section, typically found in the bottom left corner. Select the API option from the Settings menu. Here, you will find your API key. Copy your API key for later use. Next, open Google Sheets in a new tab. Create a new Google Sheet or select an existing one. In the Google Sheets menu, click on Extensions. From the drop-down, choose Apps Script. A new window will pop up with a code editor. Delete any content in the editor to start fresh. Now, you will write a script to fetch leads from Close.com. Begin by defining a function, for example, function getLeads. Next, use the URL fetch app service to make a GET request to the Close.com API. Include the API key in the headers of your request. Format your request URL to target the leads endpoint of the Close.com API. Use the JSON.parse method to parse the response from Close.com. Extract the relevant lead data you want to import into Google Sheets. Now, go back to Google Sheets and select the range where you want your data to appear. Use the setValues method to populate your sheet with the lead data. Save your script by clicking the disk icon or selecting File then Save. Next, set a trigger to run your function. Click on the clock icon in the Apps Script window to open the Triggers menu. Choose to create a new trigger for your getLeads function. Select how often you want the script to run for real-time data updates. Once your trigger is set, close the Apps Script window. Return to your Google Sheet to see the automatic imports in action. Finally, test the integration by adding a new lead in Close.com. Check your Google Sheets to ensure the lead appears within the designated refresh interval. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.